You are triple booked all day. You have a meeting starting in exactly 2 minutes with an external agency, and you completely forgot to read the 15-page brief they attached to an email last week. Do this. Do not panic and start frantically searching your inbox. Go straight to your Outlook calendar and open the Copilot chat pane. Copilot doesn't just look at isolated emails. It understands the context of your entire Microsoft ecosystem. Ask it to prepare you for this specific sync. Tell it to summarize the recent email history, extract the key deliverables from the unread attachment, and this is the superpower. Ask it to generate 3 intelligent questions for you to ask during the call. In less than 30 seconds, Copilot pulls all of that scattered data into a single cohesive briefing document right in your chat window. You walk into that meeting looking completely prepared. Work smarter, not harder. Follow for more AI superpowers in Microsoft 365.